Makeup? The videographer is being interviewed now. I'm not used to being on this side of the camera. Do not put that one in there. My name is COLIN McCLUSKEY and I'm the media specialist here at Matt Smith Real Estate Group. Before Matt Smith Real Estate Group, I was studying film in college. I worked as a part-time videographer and would film weddings, dance recitals and such like that. And then I got a job cleaning toilets. And I did not love that to the extent that I thought I would. So I looked around and was able to make some connections with my realtor, Brian Reagan, who worked with my dad. And he said, hey, we're hiring for camera stuff. I'm like, that sounds great. And now I'm here. So a regular day for me changes all the time because we're in the world of marketing, and Matt comes up with some excellent video ideas and there's always new opportunities. So I'm a very orderly person, so I've gotten used to kind of switching last minute of, oh wait, this new opportunity is here, let's go make a video out of it. So it changes every day, and for people who like a little bit of excitement, it's fun. One of my favorite memories working here so far was actually my interview when I first got here. Matt Smith Real Estate Group does interviews very differently from what it used to. It's not about what you've done, it's about you as a person. And it must have been a really good interview because two of the people cried with my answers. And I immediately felt welcome. They came over and gave me a hug and everything. It was so different from what I was used to. So yeah, that was definitely my favorite memory, just an introduction to a new season. What I enjoy most about working here at Matt Smith Real Estate Group is honestly the people. I love pulling pranks, I love doing dad jokes, and the people here are just fantastic for that kind of stuff. I love, the other day I gave out 3 friendship bracelets and I went up to each person and I was like, this is for my best and only one friend. And then I went up to the next person right next to them and I said, this is for my best and only one friend. And so now they're all debating on who's the best friend, and it's fantastic. So I love doing stuff like that. So when I'm not working here at the office, I love spending time with my family. I come from a family of 9, we lived out on a farm, but love spending time there every Sunday. I'll go out and we'll grab food and just chat. It's a good time. If you or someone you know is looking to buy a house or sell, reach out to us here at Matt Smith Real Estate Group. We'd be happy to give you a free consultation, walk you through the process, and stop by my office. You can say hi, but look forward to helping you.